The main context of our research fields: does a material, or does an air sample, or does a dust sample contain asbestos or no? The SEM technology plays the main role in the asbestos analysis. Working with the Axia ChemiSEM is, for me, I feel at home. And the Axia is used mainly for special analytical questions. Here you can see the Electron gun, and there is the EDX detector, which are the main features for the asbestos analysis. The operator is searching for specific asbestos fibers, which, after they have been found, are analyzed by energy dispersive X-ray analysis, EDX. And the picture combined with the elemental spectra is important for the question if this fiber is an asbestos fiber and if the sample contains asbestos. For every sample we have a description. For every sample, how you preparate and analyze the sample, and this can be very, very tricky. Scanning electron microscopy is the best method for analyzing asbestos due to the high resolution pictures. Asbestos are microfibers. The combination of scanning electron microscopy with energetic EDX is the best method for analyzing sample materials on asbestos. I've been working with the technology and the software about 1 3/4 year, I think. Formerly, we had 2 different computers and 2 different detector systems, 2 different devices for EDS analysis and SEM analysis. Now we have everything in one computer system. It makes the analysis more easier. I started with 10 different materials 23 years ago containing asbestos. Now we are about 230. Preventing people from diseases which are caused by asbestos is a very, very large motivation for me and for our team. Sometimes they cry of happiness if we tell them that their materials doesn't contain asbestos. It's a very good moment.